No.
Jordan, say hi.
Problem with slippery floor? During rainy days, the entranceway of every store and office building becomes a danger zone for customers and staff. Every marble floor that's just been mopped, every kitchen in every restaurant and every school cafeteria, every bathtubs in every hotel, every washroom floor with a few drops of water. All these places are accident prone. Slip no more with BEM Anti-Slip Heavy Duty Floor Treatment. BEM Anti-Slip Heavy Duty Floor Treatment alters the surface of floors and tubs at microscopic level, thereby creating an invisible thread-like design into the surface of hard mineral floors and porcelain enamel bathtubs. It increases the surface coefficient of friction by 200 to 400% when wet. BEM Anti-Slip Heavy Duty Floor Treatment benefits for you. Suitable for ceramic or quarry tiles, porcelain, terrazzo, marble, cement, and most hard surfaces. It is not a coating, it won't rub off. Does not discernibly change the appearance of the floor. Floor can be walked on immediately. Floors are easy to clean and maintain. Guaranteed effective for 2 to 5 years. Each bottle covers approximately 5 to 7 square meters. Directions for use. Shake well. Gloves should be worn in applying. Test product in hidden area. Make sure that the surface is dry. Apply into the area evenly in one application, using brush for small area or push broom for big area, allowing treatment for 15 minutes. Do not allow to dry. Make sure that the surface remains moistened by BEM Anti-Slip during the period. Important note: for marble and granite treatment will remain up to 20 minutes. If you splash BEM Anti-Slip on glass or metal, clean it immediately with generous amount of water. Keep out of reach of children. Good and will last until 5 years. One-time application only. For traffic area, solution is good for 2 years. To compute your security and your loved ones, 2.5 years times 365 equals 2.5 years average usability. 450 pesos divided by 912 equals 49 cents per day for 3 years.